Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal with London Girl Beauty, and if today's your first day, welcome. If it's not, welcome back. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you can be notified the next time I upload a video. Let's get right into today's video. I am so excited. So I saw this internet brand called Makeup by Yolondo. Guys, I just got my package. She had a sale going on earlier this month, and I just got my packet. These things are so pretty. Look at them. They're so pretty. In the bundle sale that she had going on, she was selling this contour palette, 3 eyeshadow palettes, and it had the a matte liquid lipstick and the White Don't Crack liquid eyeliner. How exciting! So I decided I would swatch these for you guys in today's video so you can see how pigmented these colors are. I already went into some of them. They're so beautiful. So I have the Jamrock Rebirth. Sorry for my light, guys. The Jamrock Rebirth eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna start by swatching that first, okay? Oh, it's so cute. It matches the packaging completely. I just noticed that. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Let me try not to blind you guys because the mirrors are big. So let me try not to blind y'all. This is what the palette looks like on the inside. So pretty. So pretty. So pretty. So all of these have Jamaican names to them because the owner of the company, Yolanda, is Jamaican. Or is her name Yolanda or Yolondo? Yolondo. She's Jamaican, so all of these have Jamaican names. So let's see how this pass is gonna look, right? I'm gonna try to swatch all of them to give you guys an idea of what they look like. They're soft. I like that. I've just finished watching the first row, Pasa Gism, Sister and Soloff, Turn Up, and Chris. And that's what they look like. Ooh. There you guys go. So you got Pasa, Gism, Sister, Soloff, Turn Up, and Chris. So you guys see what this looks like. Trying to figure out how to put my hand, but you guys see what it looks like, right? Pretty pigmented. They're soft. Alright. Let's try the next row. Alright, so these are what the rest look like. So now you have Business right here. Then you have Dea, Goodness, Fatty. Y'all see Fatty? I'm gonna turn my hand just now. Fluffy, and then Bless Up. These all complement the ones from before. Let's see how I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, that's the best way to show y'all. So obviously this one here is Bless Up. This one here is Fluffy. This one here is Fatty. This one here is Goodness, Dea, and then Business. Right? This one was weird. The Business one was a little chalky, but that's okay. They complement these ones pretty nice. I love the pigmentation, and the sparkles in these are pretty. So let's try the third row and see how this goes. I ain't got arm space, so let's show you these guys one more time, and then I'm gonna take these off and do the third row. Alright, so this is the third row. You have Moros, Gue, then you have Mashup, Love, Gal, and Tough. You guys see it? There we go. That's what that looks like. This one, I love this color for my nudes. This is pretty. Some of them are a little chalky. Some of the matte ones are chalky, but you can work with it. It's got good pigmentation, so I don't mind. So the last row. Alright. Now we have the final row. So starting right here, we got Bad Up. We got, I lied, this one is Bad Up. So we got Bad Up, Spice, Chillin', Party, Boss Chick, and finally, Baby, or Bobby, whatever you want to call it. So you guys see that? That's the full last 2 rows. That's what it looks like. Alright, so that, my guys, was the Rebirth palette. And you see the colors again. So pretty. So pretty. These in the Rebirth, they were like pretty soft. I like the palette, the eyeshadows, they were pretty soft. And there's really nice pigmentation. Some of them are chalky, but we can work with that. So I'm not complaining. I love the pressed glitters. They're beautiful. And the glitters actually show up. Like, you guys see this? The glitter shows up. Look at that. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at those. Spice? Spice? Spice is nice. Partying? Beautiful. Love those. The mattes I could work with, but, and they're colors that I don't naturally have, that I don't necessarily have. Oh, I'm not saying naturally, but you know, we can go with it. All right, so I'm gonna open the palette that really brought me to Yolondo, to Makeup by Yolondo, and it was a look done by one of my favorite artists on Instagram. She also has a YouTube channel. I did a recreation for her. I think my last video was a recreation for her. And this is the palette that originally brought me to Makeup by Yolondo. For this Simone color that I'm going to show you guys. This here is the palette that brought me to Makeup by Yolondo. This beauty right here. Her. This brought me to her. This beauty right here. So, let me show you guys these shadows in here. Y'all look at that. Y'all take a look at these shadows. You see that? This stuff is beautiful. Look at that yellow. Oh my god. Simone. She's a keeper. This is the palette that brought me to Makeup by Yolondo. And I'm excited to swatch these. So, let's get swatching. So I'm gonna start with the first row, right? So y'all, this is the first 3 rows of shades from this palette. So we start with Susie, then we go Simone, Natasha, Patsy, Barbara, Pamela. Oh my gosh. So we got Pamela right here, right? This one's Pamela. Right? Yeah, Pamela's right here. Then we got Brenda, Claudia, Michelle, Petrodile, Peter Gale. I said Petrodile. I don't know what the heck is wrong. We got Peter Gale, right? Right here is Peter Gale. The matte is Peter Gale. Right there. And then we have, after Peter Gale, we got Sasha right here. Beautiful color. Then we got Nancy, Yvette. Then we have Sally, Dolly, Becky is beautiful. And then Linda, And then finally, we have Sarah. Y'all seen this? I hope I'm doing this justice. I'm in love with the pressed glitters. And that Becky color and Simone. Gorgeous. Spectacular. So guys, this is the final row. There we have from the end, we got Sandra, Raina, Miriam, then we got Sadie, Lorette, right here, Dasa, Munchi, my favorite. Munchi's gorgeous. And then Lizzie's also gorgeous. Then Nelly too. Then we got Candy, Cora, and finally Missy. These are beautiful. I gotta admit, the pressed glitters and shimmers are my favorite. They're like butter. They're beautiful. They go on easy. They have great pigmentation. They look good. No, I'm kidding. They look really good. I love the pressed ones, the shiny ones. So this is everything. This is the palette, the Jamrock No Limitations, and that. You can see all the pressed ones, or the foil, whatever you call it, pressed or foil. The foil ones or the pressed ones are my favorite. They're beautiful. The mattes, they're good. You can work with them, build it up. You have a good base, they'll show up, but you know, it is what it is. The formula is nice. I like it. I like it. I really, really like it. I really like it. So, the final palette. The final palette is the Jamrock mattes. The mattes from the Jamrock. So let us take a look at it, my friends. My friends, let us take a look at the Jamrock palette, because we're about to be jamming. This one is matte, so let's see what we do. Let's do what we do. This is the Jamrock palette. This is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like on the inside. I don't think I'm gonna swatch these. These are mattes. We know what mattes look like. I'm gonna swatch a few of them. I lie, I'm gonna swatch a few. So I'm gonna go with pink, green, I'm gonna do 3 colors in each row. Okay. Alright, so I did a few colors from the palette. We got, from the top down, we got Carnival? No, I like, yeah, we got, okay, so I got Carnival, Vibes, then Colors, and then Bling, then Trini, then Kingston, then Said Good. Right, so we here, this is Said Good. And then we got Bubbler, Rebel, Waistline, and Bam Bam. So you see that? Bam Bam, Waistline, Rebel, Bubbler. And then Said Good, Kingston, Trini, Bling, Colors. Right? Colors is the blue. And we got Flavor, Vibes, and Carnival. Good? Good. So, to give you an idea of what the colors will look like. The matte colors will look like in this palette. So again, this is the Jamrock mattes. And that is what it looks like. Ooh, it's got some fun names. And it's pretty. The mattes, you can work with them. They're a little chalky, but you know, you can get the build up. Support. I'm gonna always be honest with you guys, like, you know, the mattes are a little chalky, but you still get good color payoff. So you're probably gonna need to get in there. You're gonna have a lot of fallout, but you have color payoff. It came with this white don't crack liner, which I'm excited to use. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Oh well, you can see it. My light's in the way, but nice for drawing. So guys, that's it. Those are all 3 palettes from Makeup by Yolondo. I was so excited to receive these. I'm excited to use them. They seem to have good color payoff, very pigmented, and workable shadows. So I'm excited to use it. I hope you guys will give it a try. It's a Black-owned business, and I love supporting Black-owned businesses. I always use Juvia's Place, so I found something else to try. I'm sure there's a lot of other brands out there that I haven't tried as yet, but I'll get there, and I'll try to do swatches for you guys then as well. But for now, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.